maar waar jy aanvanklik gestaan of gesit het. En nou gaan ek na jou toe hoor dit. Hoe president Ramaphosa nie integreer nie. Wat bepaal die grondwet? Wat is hy by mag om te doen oor hierdie situasie?
So this is my dad. You've probably seen him before. You see where I get my good looks from, eh? So I'm gonna be spending the day with him and then getting my hands dirty. Gaan papa vir my moeilike werk gee. Papa moet ook nou net van skoppie en bese werk gee.
Jy gaan ver.
My dad still works on the paper system. Nikki computer prefers the paper and pen.
Old school.
Old school.
Okay, alles reg, dan sien ek jou nou.
Ek het nog eers eintlik reg gesê wat ons doen hier. So, if you were wondering what my dad does, I don't actually know his title, but I'm gonna say he's a maintenance manager. Ne? Sweet. He's like the maintenance manager of 3 apartment blocks, or 3. 8 woonstelle.
8 woonstelblokke, 161 flats.
161 flats. So he does like all the maintenance jobs and painting, deals, geysers, everything. So apparently today I'm painting. So let's do this.
Yeah.
You on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see
Kan nie net wel saam ry nie, moet daar moet so 'n bietjie werk. So sy doen 'n bietjie roller op die vloer met 'n stoepheid om die vloer mooi glad te kry en 'n mooi kleur te gee. Harde werk, ja. Okay.
at your place or a spring break, a heartache. I do it all again.
So I actually just asked my dad what this is for, because I thought it's for like just to put flowers and be decorative. But my dad says they actually used to put the milk in here years ago. Crazy. Just kyk hier 'n mooi view hier buite. The work here is done. That's our pig ears. It's interesting. Trying pig ears for the first time. I'm cleaning my dad's knife with sanitizer. Ja, nee, hier is nogal nasty. Wanneer laat papa hierdie mes skoon gemaak?
Langklaas. Hy word vooruit gewerk.
Kandy rolls. Bothaville. Best lunch ever. Nice. I'm literally out of breath. My dad's laughing at me. Oh my god, no! So we're throwing this on the track of the gate. Wat is dit voor? Dat hy ek net smoother oopmaak of?
Nou, dat is nie sakkie.
Okay. So I'm just in the car waiting for my dad because he had to go fix one of the apartment's toilets, and I don't really want to go in with him because there's nothing I could do, and also the people are living there, so it's just, it will be awkward if I like hang around. So yeah. So tell us, Dad, what came out of that toilet?
Oh, it was only the drop-in valve nut on the bottom that came loose and was laying in the hole, so the water couldn't flush all the poo-poo down evenly, so nicely, and so I just fixed it, and yeah, now it's flushing good, and all the poo-poo goes well down the gooseneck.
Thank you for that very in-depth report. I told my dad because this one teenager, well, two teenagers, we just like finished the cement and she didn't know that I was sitting in the car, and then she went to go and like to ruin it. She wanted to put her feet in it, so I was like, hey, that cement's still wet, but I was like scolding at her, and then I told my dad, and he just stopped next to her. He told her, as je voeten in je pla, moet je mij zeggen dat ik het weer kan afstay. It's so nice being rude to kids, I love it. So now we're just driving around. My dad's dropping off all the employees' pay slips for them, and the apartment blocks are like a few kilometers apart, so it's like just driving to every place and, you know, that sort of thing. Thank you, Dad, that was much fun. Oh, he's beauty routine. First have to brush his hair before. Wait, I can't put the camera on. Dankie papa, dat is fun.
Zie.
Wat was weer so?
Maak weer so, ja.
Okay. See, oulikies, oulikies, oulikies. Oulikies. Cutie. Yo, nice, huh? And why so like your pop? Sy wil ook in die video wees. Wow!
Sy's net smaakloos. Hulle like foto's nou. Jy moet sien as sy my selfoon in die hande kry.
Wow!
My goodness.
En lig die skerm op, dan draai jy hom om en dan druk jy hom so en dan hou jy hom daar vas. Neem jy 'n selfie. Woo! Say cheese.
Cheese. Wat doen jy?
Ek los my hare.
Okay, bye. Love you.
Love you.
Het oopmaak.
Wat oopmaak?
Die persente.
Wie se persente?
Ons persente.
Ja!
Yay!
Okay.
Wat sal dit wees, julle?
Vijf my? Wat hier?
Hey, gitaar!
Dis 'n hemdraaier. Kyk hierso, kyk hierso.
Ja, sy sien dat jy Andrea.
Die necklace. En doen 'n spin. Draai in die ronde. Ooh la la la. Princess. Ooh, so mooi. Ooh. Wowie. Wat doen jy?
Die gitaar en dan fluit hy. En dan begin hom sing.
So hot. So hot.
Welcome everyone to another edition of Vlogmas. Today we're gonna travel the world and we're gonna show you some scenes.
We're going on holiday.
Stick
No,
along
kidding.
and enjoy the podcast.
So we're actually heading to Bothaville today. I have a matric farewell client that side. I know it's like 3 hours drive, which is insane that they would get someone all the way from Joburg, but I guess they really like my work. So I'm gonna do her hair makeup and then her mom's makeup. They sound like really sweet people, so I can't wait to meet them. But yeah, it's a long drive, so we're just gonna make like a little bit of a day of it, you know, just a casual 3 hours there, 3 hours back drive. Could have been in Durban after that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's kind of
3
depressing.
hours there. Could have feet in the sand, 3 hours back.
It is what it is. Gotta work.
Astronauts.
Cheers.
Organizing the car. Cheers.
Just got some booty rolls while filling up the petrol. 15 rand for the boeredroogte on your lever.
In which country?
And also the proceeds actually go to the boeredroogte help.
SA.
And Kev also bought a liter. What is it? How many? How much? 5 liters.
10 liters.
10 liters of diesel, which is also being donated to the boeredroogte help. So I was actually just thinking I will put a link for you guys down below in the description bar. I remember a while ago I also donated some money for them, and it just like really helps them out. So if you want to get involved with any donations or anything like that, you can check the link in the description box.
Boere!
Ons kultuur, ons taal, ons mense.